Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make vegetable corn soup. Vegetable corn soup is the first menu in all Indian hotels. It is a very short recipe. So, why to waste time? Let's start. First, we are going to turn on the stove to medium flame. Now add the butter. Now add carrot. Make sure to cut it. Beans. Mix it. Corn. Mix it again. Add some water. Mix it. Some salt to taste. Cover it and cook it. They started to boil. Now I'm going to add the grinded corn. Now I'm adding 2 spoons of vinegar. Mix it. Cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. I have cornstarch. Mix it with water. And this will give our soup a nice thickness. Mix it. Look at how thick it is. That's because the cornstarch hit. See? Cover it. Look at it. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. Our vegetable corn soup is ready. While we were cooking, I didn't add any pepper, so now I'm going to add it. It's just nice when it's hot and the corn it is so delicious. You guys have to try this recipe whenever you have a cold or fever. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!